Hi guys, I'm Tess, I'm a silversmith, and I'm going to show you around my studio today. Display area, packaging area where all of my treasures go out in the mail. My thinking chair, my favorite, got this at Salvo, best purchase ever. This is my desk area where I have all my orders organized, incoming, outgoing, completed. Some of them are priority, some of them I can put off. Then we have where I do all my drawing, a handy dandy clipbook, where I have all my sheets and logos. Now I'll show you where the stones are kept. In my handy dandy apothecary table. Herkimer diamonds, shout out to Lauren and Jake from Luminous Harvest. Just a lot of odds and ends. I'm a stone hoarder. These are actually antlers that were cut, found in my woods. I had my dad slice it. Turn them into something beautiful. Buffalo nickels. Gotta love that. It's actually, my friend made that in college. Ooh, arrowhead. Found in my yard. And flint. My dad always said I should do a flint collection. Because of the battle on snowshoes from around here. Raw stones. Oh, now that I showed you my studio, it's time to get to work. So first you have to get some tracing paper. At least this is how I do it. Get the scissors. Try to cut it really close to the design so when you glue it down, it's not flapping around when you saw it out. Grab the rubber cement. Then you take your silver sheet. I like using 22 gauge because it's not too thin and not too thick. Now we're gonna cut out this feather that I just drew up. Grab your saw blade. Grab your saw frame. Saw blades in here. You know what's good when you hear the sound. Beeswax protects your blades and makes it easier to glide through the metal. And you start. Saw blades break really easily, but you just gotta be careful. They come in a pack of 144, so that's good. Voila! Start to the feather. And then, it takes a minute, but then after that, phase 2, 3 I guess. File, sand all the edges, get as smooth as you want. These are my third arms, so I can hold other elements in place. So these are all the different types of solder, easy, medium, hard, and you usually start with hard and work your way up to easy, depending on how many elements you have working together. I have them in little Altoids cases that my man Jay saved for me back in Buffalo. Gotta heat it evenly. Quench it. And then stick it in the pickle pot where it cleans up. Be all dirty in there, and then when you take it out, it will look like this. This is the last area of my studio. This is my liver of sulfur station and my ultrasonic cleaning, and this area darkens metal. The chemical reaction actually turns the silver black. Let it sit in there for a while. Just keep dipping it. Let it sit.